Tired of fumbling with mismatched rods and reels? Let's explore some top fly fishing combos that bring harmony, performance, and style to your next fishing trip. The Sugaya Long Fly Fishing Rod Reel Kit offers a balanced combination of quality and affordability that immediately caught my attention. Right out of the box, the rod feels sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to handle even during long fishing sessions. The reel is smooth with a drag system that provides excellent control over the line tension, something any fly fisher will appreciate. What I really enjoyed is how well this combo performs in diverse water conditions. Whether I was casting on a calm river or a more challenging stream, the rod sensitivity helped me detect subtle bites that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. It's clear this kit was designed with both beginners and intermediate anglers in mind. Using this set gave me confidence and made each cast feel natural, almost like the rod and reel were extensions of my own hands. The only thing I'd say is that the included case could be a bit more durable, but considering the price, it's a minor trade-off. If you want a reliable, versatile fly fishing combo that won't empty your wallet, this Sugaya Long kit might be your perfect match. Can you imagine the satisfaction of landing your next trout with gear this dependable? The Wild Water Standard Fly Fishing Kit immediately stood out for its professional look and solid build quality. The rod has a smooth finish and a comfortable grip that feels premium, which made me curious to see how it would perform on the water. The reel is lightweight but robust, providing a consistent drag that's easy to adjust mid-fight. This combo truly shines when it comes to balance and precision. Casting felt effortless, and I noticed the rod's responsiveness allowed me to place flies exactly where I wanted them. For someone serious about improving their fly fishing skills, this kit gives you the tools to do just that. What I loved the most was how this kit elevated my overall fishing experience. The sensitivity and control made every moment enjoyable, from the first cast to the final catch. While it's a bit pricier than some others, the quality justifies the investment. One small detail to consider is that the rod might feel slightly stiff for absolute beginners, but with just a little practice, it becomes an asset rather than a drawback. If you're ready to take your fly fishing to the next level with gear that feels as good as it looks, the Wild Water Standard Kit is a fantastic option to explore. Who wouldn't want that kind of performance in their tackle box? For those just starting out or looking for a budget-friendly option, the Plusino Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo offers surprising value. The rod is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, which helped me get comfortable with casting quickly. The reel features a decent drag system that worked well for the smaller fish I targeted. What impressed me was how much this combo exceeded expectations given its affordable price. It's not flashy, but it's functional and reliable, making it a great choice for casual outings or beginners wanting to test the waters without a heavy investment. Using it made me feel more confident on the water, and I appreciated how straightforward it was to assemble and start fishing right away. If there's one thing to note, it's that the reel's drag might struggle a bit with larger fish, so keep that in mind depending on your fishing goals. Still, if you want to dip your toes into fly fishing without spending too much, this Plusino combo is a smart and practical pick. Don't you think getting started with good gear makes all the difference? The Wild Water Standard Fly Fishing Combo Starter Kit caught my eye as a great all-in-one solution for those eager to jump into fly fishing. The rod feels robust yet nimble, while the reel offers smooth operation and consistent drag performance. The included accessories add real value, making it feel like a complete package. What I found most appealing was how well-balanced the combo is, allowing for accurate casting and easy handling. It's clear this kit was designed to help newcomers gain confidence quickly and enjoy the learning curve without frustration. Using this combo, I noticed how enjoyable fly fishing can be when your gear works with you, not against you. The kit's thoughtful design and quality components made every outing more rewarding. If I had to pick a downside, it would be that the rod's action might feel a bit firm for some, but that's a common trait in starter kits aiming to cover a wide range of conditions. If you want a ready-to-go kit that feels professional without overwhelming complexity, the Wild Water Starter Combo is definitely worth considering. Can you picture yourself casting with ease and catching your first fish faster? The Master Logic Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo brought a refreshing balance of quality and simplicity to my fishing experience. The rod is comfortable to hold with a smooth finish and good flex that made casting feel natural. The reel is solidly built and offers a reliable drag system that helped me play fish without worry. What I especially liked is how this combo manages to be both beginner-friendly and capable enough for more experienced anglers. It's lightweight, which reduces fatigue during long days on the water, and the setup feels intuitive from the start. Fishing with this combo gave me a sense of control and enjoyment that kept me coming back for more. The only small caveat might be that it doesn't include extra accessories, so you'll want to have some basics on hand. If you prefer straightforward, dependable gear that won't complicate your trips, the Master Logic combo is a solid choice to keep in your arsenal. Wouldn't it be great to have a combo that simply works every time? The Suga Yalang fly fishing combo is a compact and efficient option that immediately impressed me with its portability and ease of use. The rod feels agile and responsive, perfect for quick casts in tight spots. The reel's drag system is smooth enough to handle small to medium fish confidently. What stood out to me was how well this combo balances performance and price. It's great for beginners or casual anglers who want reliable gear without fuss. The lightweight design made it comfortable to fish for hours without tiring my arm. One thing to keep in mind is that this combo might not be ideal for tackling larger, more aggressive fish, but for most freshwater fishing, it performs admirably. If you're looking for a no-nonsense fly fishing setup that's easy to carry and enjoyable to use, this Suga Yalang combo deserves your attention. Isn't it amazing when simple gear delivers great results? The Max Catch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo Kit delivers a strong impression of durability and precision right from the first cast. The rod has a nice flex that offers both power and sensitivity, while the reel features a smooth drag system that kept control even during intense runs. I appreciated how this combo felt balanced and professional, making it perfect for anglers wanting to push their skills further. The kit also comes with useful accessories, adding convenience and value straight away. Fishing with Max Catch made me feel equipped to handle a variety of fishing conditions, from calm lakes to flowing rivers. The comfortable grip and reliable components encouraged longer sessions without fatigue. If I were to mention a small drawback, it's that the combo's a bit heavier than some ultralight options, but that weight translates into strength and durability. For those ready to fish hard and smart, the Max Catch Extreme Combo is a worthy addition to your tackle collection. Can you picture yourself landing that trophy fish with gear this dependable? The Top Fort Fly Fishing Rod and Reel combo impressed me with its solid construction and smooth performance. The rod offers a nice balance between stiffness and flexibility, making precise casting a breeze. The reel's drag system is responsive and easy to adjust, adding a layer of control that's essential for fly fishing. What I really liked is how this combo feels comfortable for both beginners and more seasoned anglers. It's lightweight enough to prevent fatigue, yet durable enough to withstand regular use. The kit's design also has a sleek aesthetic that I found appealing. Using the Top Fort combo, I enjoyed a seamless fishing experience that made every catch feel rewarding. While it doesn't come with many extra accessories, the quality of the core gear stands out. If you want a balanced, dependable fly fishing combo that looks as good as it fishes, this Top Fort set is a compelling option. After all, isn't good gear the key to great fishing memories?